Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about how to upload a file in our Selenium Java. Okay, here file upload concept we have for two ways. One is single file and another one is multiple file. Okay, these are the two ways we can able to do. And also see in normal in a olden days we have for auto IT there is a tool is there. By using that, they are doing for file upload. After that, there is come for robot class. For that also they are used. Now the Selenium itself, it is directly providing for using for send keys. Okay. And when we can able to use auto IT and robot class. Auto IT is basically when you are use the pop-up for the Windows, not for the browser. Okay. In that particular case, you can able to use the auto IT. Like now I click this one. Now I need to here, right? I need to select some file and then I need to provide the value. Okay. This time I can able to provide my auto IT. Okay. By using the auto IT, this particular pop-up handling purpose we are doing in the olden days. Now it is not required. Even auto IT is not required. Even robot class is there. Robot class by using the robot class, there is a file path providing that path we are going to inject and then we are updating. Okay. These are the two cases. Maybe they can able to ask you for interview also. How, why can't you use for auto IT or robot class? See, auto IT sometimes it will fail into when you are running into the pipeline time. Okay, this is a one of the headache. Okay, same file you have to download. This is a third party one. Okay, this is a third party plugin. Okay, we need to download the jar file and we need to keep it in one place and we need to install and then we need to use it. This is the one of the headache one. Okay, this will work on local perfectly, but in the pipeline it will not work perfectly. It will fail. Because of that, we are not going to use for auto IT. Okay, and second, robot class. Robot class is the one is a Java default library. Okay, default one. When you are install Java, robot class also will be there. Okay, I'll show you for how to use the robot class keyboards and all. I will show in the next session. Okay, and here also we need to pass the path and we need to use it. Okay, this also like a sometimes when the pop-up is up, right, that time it will be failed. But occurrence is there comparing to auto IT, robot class will give you for some good amount of pass percentage. Okay, and send keys directly our driver itself we can able to use it. Okay, this will help you like you can provide for single file or double file, it will take it based upon your file concept. Now this is the choose file is there, right? You need to go inside, you can see, right, type as a file. Okay, type as a file. When type as a file it is there, you can able to use send keys directly without using for auto IT or robot class. Directly we can able to use. If type is equal to file, you can able to use directly. Okay, and when we can able to use for multiple files concept, there is a multiple here, it is the right multiple. Okay, type as a file and multiple. When multiple is there, it will allow you to send for single or multiple file. It will accept for both of them. Okay. Now we can directly use this URL and all. Okay. Meanwhile, I just created one file, image here, right? Images, and then I use it for the files, two files I kept it here. Okay. These two files we can able to capture and then we can able to use. Okay. For capturing the file, we need to first read uh, project directory, right? For this, we have seen in the last system dot get property. Okay, that get property is used for user dot directory. Okay, this will find you for project path. Okay, string project path. Okay, now we have for project path. Inside the project path, we need to get the this particular image, right? Now I will use for project path. I'm building for the path, okay, and double quotation and two forward slash, okay. My folder is images, again forward slash, and image dot jpg, okay. Now I build for complete path, okay. Now this particular path I want to store, okay. For the storing purpose, again I'll use for string file, okay. Now I stored my entire path, right. Now I need to use this one, okay. If you see, there is a id is there, okay. We can use the id driver dot find element by dot id. We can store the value, okay. Here we can directly use for send keys, or you can able to use for web element, and you can do anything is fine, okay. I'll use for web element upload, okay. Now upload dot send keys, okay. Now I'm using for file path, okay, file path directly, okay. This will store into the file, but I don't know whether it will be stored or uploaded or not, right. Now can go back here. See here, once you click now image, now you can see the file directly come and here, right. Now I need to read this file. You can go ahead here and see this is the UL is there, okay. From this UL we can able to get the LIs, okay. Now I'll create for CSS selector for this, okay, LI, okay. All the LIs, how many it is there, that many LIs I need to read it, okay. I'll get that all. Now it is the only one. In case tomorrow multiple, that also I need to print into the console, right. Now driver dot find elements by dot CSS selector, and I'll pass my selector, okay. This will return for a list of web elements, list of web elements of files, okay. Now I will rotate that for each loop, okay. We can rotate that for each loop, and we can print that every value from that particular place, okay. Web element, and I'll use for system dot out. We can use for file one dot get text, okay. This will return for entire file. Then we can close for driver dot quit, okay. Now again I'm running this one. See, the file it is presented, okay. Like this we can able to do. In case if you want to see the uploaded file whether it is there or not, you can use for some time to wait, and then you can use it, okay, first. And we need to use for multiple files also, right. Now again I'll use this one, two, and that's image one, and file extension is avif, okay. I'll save this one, and we need to upload the two files, right. Now again I'll use this one. After printing again, we can do here itself. This is a single file. I'll copy, and I need to upload multiple files. Plus forward slash n, some space purpose. Again, we can use for file 2. Okay. These are the files, two files I'm going to upload it. Now running. See, two files is uploaded, two files and this, and also two comes here. Okay, like this we can able to do for uploading. It's the easiest way. Okay, and we can see in the next session robot class how you can able to use the robot class and all we can see in the next session. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.